Welcome back to Runpaq Channel. In this first part of our special feature, we're going to take an in-depth look at how the amazing Runpaq brass ultrasonic meter body with ball valve is made. Our ultrasonic meter bodies, equipped with an integrated ball valve, are crafted from top-tier materials. We use brass, stainless steel, and polymer. The brass we choose is of the highest grade, ensuring both durability and outstanding performance. The journey of these meter bodies begins with hot forging. We utilize up and down hydraulic pressure, which means there's zero risk of cracks forming during this crucial shaping stage. After hot forging, we carry out annealing treatment. By doing this, we ensure that our products are highly resistant to deformation over time, even with continuous usage. Our surface treatment process is truly top-notch. This treatment makes the surface smooth and corrosion-resistant, which is vital for long-term use. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore more features of this amazing product.